Okay friends, just open your settings application, then scroll up, then you can see option of general. Okay, open it. Now open software update. You can see automatic updates are turned on and it is running on iOS 26. And if you need, click on automatic update, then turn off automatic install. Then you can see other two options, automatic download, and uh, one more option is automatically install. Okay, if you are turn on automatic install and download, that will be close those three features and into one. So in this way you can easily turn off automatic software updation on iPhone. So that's guys. And I'm not recommending updating software on iOS because sometimes it will be bringing some problems like battery drain or a motherboard issue or display issue like a display out or display become green screen or black screen or white screen, anything that. So if you have working on iOS system that's work very smoothly on your iOS device, then do not update your phone software. So because the companies are not providing good updates for all the device, it is causes problems of different devices. So I'm not recommending updating software on iPhone or Samsung or any other devices. So if you have problem with your current software, if you have some kind of bugs or any major issues, you must update your phone. Otherwise my recommend is that do not update your phone. So that's guys. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.